Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Stylish searches can elevate the look of any home, blending functionality with aesthetic appeal. Today's search designs go far beyond the standard, with plastic offering a range of materials, colors, and textures that can complement various interior styles. For a sleek modern touch, glass or metal switches with a smooth minimalist finish are an excellent choice. They add a touch of sophistication and are often available in black, silver, or matte finishes that seamlessly integrate into contemporary spaces. If you prefer a more classic or vintage look, brass or bronze switches with a textured finish can give your home an elegant, timeless feel. These metallic switches pair beautifully with wooden or industrial style interiors, adding warmth and character for a rustic or boho aesthetic. Consider searching with wooden frames or ceramic finishes. These materials are handicrafted, organic vibe, creating a cozy and earthy atmosphere. For those who love bold statement, colorful switches or switch with unique patterns can be a fun way to inject personality into your space. You can choose switches that match a bold color for a seamless look or go for contrasting shades to make them stand out as a design essence. Some brands even offer customizable switches plates, allowing you to choose the exact color or patterns that suits your decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.